Hi, I'm Phil from Packhelp, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about sustainable packaging. As more and more consumers are becoming aware of where their packaging ends up as waste, it's becoming more and more important for brands, both big and small, to start implement sustainable packaging in order to appeal to more and more people. Traditionally, packaging is used to get a product from one location, such as a shop or a factory, back home. And once home, that packaging is usually discarded. That's why we see so much single-use packaging in landfill and in waterways causing pollution. But using modern material technology, as well as our age-old adage of reduce, reuse, recycle, your brand can start to lower the amount of packaging that ends up in landfill and in waterways. Material substitution is a great place to start when implementing sustainable packaging into your brand. For example, soap. Rather than using petroleum-based plastics, consider using seaweed or fungus-based packaging that dissolves once exposed to water in the shower. Building sustainability into your packaging design is another method that's becoming more and more popular. For example, coat hangers that are made from bags, boxes that double as doll houses, and also mailing bags that can be sent back and forth time and time again. These are just some of the methods that keep packaging products out of landfill for longer. But there's more to sustainable packaging than simply materials technology and clever design. You can use the most organic mailing boxes, but if you're shipping them from one side of the planet to the other, well, then you're creating a lot of harmful carbon emissions in the process. Consider using a packaging manufacturer that's physically close to where you base your operations. Also, make sure those factories use renewable energy resources. One can argue that using renewable energy and lowering your carbon emissions are equally important. Ethics also plays a really important role in sustainable packaging. Are the people making your packaging, are they paid fairly, and are they employed legally? Are the trees that are used to make the paper pulp for your cardboard boxes sustainably harvested, or are they made from a non-renewable old-growth forest? So ask yourself, what does sustainable packaging mean to my brand? Is it lowering carbon emissions? Is it employing people ethically? Is it using cutting-edge materials? Well, the correct answer is all of the above.